Step 1, jack placement. There is a little place over here with 2 little rivets, and the jack needs to fit in there perfectly, because if you put it off the wrong way, it's gonna what it's gonna do is gonna bend this little flange over here. So put it on perfectly, check it up just a little bit, take the pressure off the wheels, and just break the logs. Check up the car a little bit. Good. Next is taking this bolt off, and there's another one right over there. 2 bolts, pretty simple. 3/4 inch, and this is a cobalt. Alright, so beautiful. Pull this out. spin it and then pop back in. Same with this. Alright, so you got that. Next is push that back in. A little bit of silicone. Good. Always push from the bottom upwards. And this one, gotta push it from the bottom upwards. So, slide the bottom in, and the top part in first, and then pop it up and good. Or sorry. So both brakes are in place, and good slide. Put some grease, seasoned grease in here on both sides. I don't have that, but I'm gonna take these brakes off later and put some on. So I'm gonna test them and see if they're good brakes. There you have it. Tighten everything up really tight. Put the wheel back on. Pump the brakes a little bit. Another thing I forgot to show you guys is here's the brake cylinder with the braking fluid. And always take the cap off because you won't be able to squeeze the fluid back in if the air doesn't come out. So cap off, and then you could use the clamp to push the fluid back. Good luck.